Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get degrees on Coursera, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So on the homepage of Coursera, if you scroll down you can see the earn your degrees section, and here you can see some masters in different universities and countries, and you can see that all of these masters are 100% online, so you do not have to move somewhere to earn your degree. And if you like one of these masters, you can click one of these. Let's say I don't know, MA in public policy, and then here you can see all the information. First the overview of the master. After that you can see the admission, who is the master, is a master in public policy for cohorts and deadlines, admission requirements and process, academics. You can see the curriculum, uh, Coursera on mobile, if you would like to follow the courses on your mobile, tuition and financing. You can see all the information that you require. And if you like this master and you would like to enroll, then click on the apply, and then you should see the application site. Let's wait a couple of seconds. I hope that it will work. All right, here you can see the application. All right, so this is how you can apply and earn your master degree on Coursera. I think that it's a really great way if you do not want, or you cannot travel, or you cannot stay in another country, but you like that university and in that university that master, then it's a really great way to check these masters out in Coursera. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.